This meditation is best practiced in a place where you feel safe and where you will not be disturbed. Allow yourself to be in a most comfortable position, perhaps lying on your back with a pillow under your head and your feet together, your knees bent and open, supported by pillows. Perhaps you cover yourself with a blanket. Maybe you prefer to sit in a very comfortable chair, or maybe you like to be in child pose with your knees separated and your feet together, perhaps with your torso supported by a few pillows stacked on top of each other. Once you have established that comfortable position, allow your eyes to close, or if you prefer, to simply gaze, eyes relaxed. Becoming aware of your breathing. Allowing the air to move in and ideally also out of the nostrils. Allowing the breath to be calm. No need to create a particular breathing pattern. Simply observe the breath as it's moving in and out of the nostrils. And notice how the breath creates movement, expansion, and then contraction or recoil in the body. Feel where you can best notice these subtle sensations. Perhaps in the rib cage and chest. Perhaps in the abdomen and lower back. Maybe in the hips and pelvis. Allowing the body to be soft. If you chose to lay on your back with your legs supported on pillows, really allow the pillows to carry the weight of your legs. How much can you soften your legs, your belly, your back, and also your neck, shoulders, your face? Really allow whatever it is you're sitting or lying on to fully support you. And then allowing the breath to be received in a relaxed body, a relaxed belly. Nothing to accomplish. Simply allowing yourself to rest and release. Letting go of unnecessary tensions. If at any time you need to adjust your position, just do so mindfully, without any extra effort. Making sure that you feel comfortable in the position you have chosen. Now bring the awareness to the pelvic floor. This is the muscles and connective tissue that run between your pubic bone, the front of the pelvis, all the way to the tailbone, and then side to side between the sit bones. The muscles wrap around the sex organs and around the anus. Often when we've been very tense or we've been dealing with pain in the lower pelvis, in the abdomen, in the sex organs, these muscles can become tight. And this meditation will help you soften and relax them. As you rest your awareness on this area, notice that when you're breathing in, there's a bit of a widening and expansion of the pelvic floor. And as you're breathing out, the pelvic floor recoils. Just as your abdomen rises and falls with your breath, so does the pelvic floor. It's very, very subtle, and you may at first not be aware of it. So simply rest your awareness on this area of the body and don't try and make something happen. So as you breathe in, there's a gentle rise of the abdomen, expansion of the pelvic floor. And as you're breathing out, the abdomen sinks down and the pelvic floor recoils to its starting position. Sometimes it helps to even have an image in mind. As we're breathing in and feeling for sensations of the pelvic floor, we might actually imagine a circle that expands a bit on the in-breath and then contracts a bit on the out-breath. Sometimes it even helps to imagine a rose or flower opening on the in-breath and then closing on the out-breath. Let's stick with this for just a moment, feeling the gentle rise and fall of the abdomen and the gentle sensations in the perineum, in the pelvic floor area. Just resting your relaxed attention on these experiences, these sensations, and don't try and make something happen. You might also feel sensations around your tailbone, especially if you've chosen to be in the child pose. Allowing the body to be soft, receiving the breath, and then releasing the breath. Feel that you are safe and that it is safe to let go, safe to release and relax. Just feel that in your body, that you're safe, that you can let go, that you can release any tension that no longer serves you. Breath is easy and effortless, like gentle waves in a lake. just bring your relaxed awareness to the sensations that are created in your torso, and especially your abdomen and your pelvis. Relaxing, releasing, softening, letting go. You can stay with this meditation as long as you would like. Or when you feel ready to end the meditation, make sure to do so slowly and gently. Perhaps by doing a little bit of stretching and taking a few longer breaths in and out. And when you feel ready, I recommend that you lie on your side for a little bit if you are lying down. And then using your arms to get yourself to a seated position. And then just sit there for another few seconds before you get up and continue with your day.